Okay, as you can see, sometimes we have to have more than one video. So anyway, once we've got our two equations, we have equation A and equation B, I can graph these because I've already got them in the slope-intercept formula. This is a -2 slope and a -4y intercept, a -4 slope and a -2y intercept. So all I have to do is I can either make a table for each equation and graph it, or I can just use the y equals function in your calculator. And so if I do that, I would take my calculator and I would hit y equals, clear these, and I'd have y equals -4x minus 2, and I would have -2x minus 4, and hit graph. I can then go to table. This is my x, it will be the same for both. This is my y's for my first and my second equation. If I go to 1, I can see that the first equation hits at 1, -6, the second hits at 1, -6, and therefore that is my solution to this system. So my solution becomes 1, -6. So the graphing is not difficult on finding solutions of equations. It becomes limited, however, when you are working with these, and you'll see that soon enough. Now, when you're looking at two lines, you can only have 3 solutions. Either you're going to get exactly 1 point, and this is called a consistent independent solution. And the reason for this is it's consistent because we will get a solution, and the solution is independent because we'll get just one solution. The second type of solution we'll get is A and B are really the same line. And so in this, we'll get infinitely many points, because every point on both lines intersects. Many points. And so this is a consistent solution because we do get one, but it is dependent. Okay, so we want a consistent independent solution, but sometimes we're stuck with the consistent dependent. The last type of solution we can get is when the lines are parallel. They both have the same slope. These will have no intersection points, so it's no solution. And when you have no solution, it is an inconsistent system of equations. Now, these are the 3 linear systems, or solutions that we can get. We can get one, infinitely many, or no solution. The reason linear equations are easy is because these are, in fact, the solutions that we can come up with. If you think of a nonlinear graph, let's consider a sine wave, which would look something like this. If that's one of our functions and a line is another, we can have many intersection points. And because of it, it's much more difficult to get the solution of equations. With linear equations, though, we'll either get 1 point, infinite points, or no solution. Okay? And that is the first lesson.